There's Tower City. There's some shit and people. Maybe it's not the biggest building in Cleveland. It's this building right here. Alright? It's Huntington Bank building. So we're going to follow this AT&T truck. There's the Jack Casino. Remember, Tower City's right here. We're going to go down to this building right here. This Huntington Bank or whatever it was. There's the memorial for the soldiers and shit. There's the spaceship buses. Alright. We're going to follow this Explorer over here. I fucked up. Nope. East Roadway. Now this is Superior. Alright. Huntington Bank building right there. See? There's Tower City. Huntington Bank building. The bus stop is right over here by this shit. There's the bus stops. It says 38 and 3 on this bus sign right here. And there's some crackheads. And across the street is this shit right here. Whatever the fuck building that is. Alright, so this is Superior Avenue. If this don't get you here, then you need fucking help, yo. Alright, I'm done.